How to redeem DramaBox gift codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem DramaBox gift codes. For this, you want to download and install the DramaBox app on your device. You can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Now tap on the DramaBox option over here. You want to log into your account. For that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the login option. You can sign in using Facebook or sign in using Google. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the gifts option over here. Now you get to enter your gift codes over here. So tap on this. Now go ahead and enter your gift code. Once that is done, tap on the redeem option. Remember that the redemption code can only be used to redeem free rewards and cannot be used to redeem coins or memberships. The same code can only be used once per account. Each code has a validity period and can only be redeemed within this period. Each code has a maximum number of users who can redeem. So once the limit is reached, it can no longer be redeemed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.